Hey YouTube, I've been getting a lot of emails from people with Wi-Fi problems after a jailbreak with Black Rain or an update with iTunes, and they say that they can't connect to a network even if they can find it. Sometimes they can't, but when they do, they can connect for 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and then it just automatically doesn't connect anymore, or they can't even find the network at all. So I'm going to show you a very simple fix. It's fast and easy. So we're going to go into settings, and we're going to scroll down to general, all the way down to reset, and we're going to reset network settings. And after you do that, your iPhone will turn on. It'll take a while. There'll be a little progress bar. It'll turn on, and you can go into Wi-Fi and you'll be able to find networks, and it should work. So if you have any problems with this or it just doesn't work, I can help you further. Just comment or send me a personal message. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.